I am Mmi Q2, the Academic Director for the National Center for the Middle Market, and I'm very happy to share the results of our latest survey. As you know, the middle markets play a very important role in the economy. Incidentally, we define them as firms with revenues from 10 million to 1 billion. And these firms, which are roughly 200,000 in number, account for almost 1/3 of the non-government GDP and about 1/3 of the private sector jobs. So it's very important, and we follow it with a quarterly survey. This survey, which tries to replicate the overall population, is done by talking to about 1,000 C-level executives. And we ask them a number of questions. Altogether, that constitutes our middle market indicator survey. So what we are finding for these latest results, and that is for the second quarter of 2013, is that the middle market is showing very robust and optimistic growth in the future. And we see this both in terms of revenue, which is projected on average to be 5.1% by our respondents. Very healthy when you think of an economy with a GDP that would be very respectable if it grew at 2%. And also, if you remember that the projected rate of growth for S&P 500 firms is roughly about 1.2%. And similarly, we also expect good growth in employment, about 2.5% growth in employment. In addition, turning to the level of confidence, middle market firms are showing better confidence at all levels of the economy, global, US, as well as domestic. Nearly half of respondents feel some level of confidence in the global economy, better than in the past. Similarly, in terms of the US economy, nearly 2/3, and in terms of the local, almost, not quite there, but 80%, very respectable, 4 out of 5. So we see a lot of positive movement, and furthermore, in terms of the question, what would you do if you were given an additional dollar? 64% of the respondents would invest it. You might complain that roughly 1/3 want to hoard the cash, but remember, this 64% is the highest investment response in about 6 quarters of our survey. Along with this positive news, I should tell you that there are some concerns that have popped up repeatedly. For example, healthcare, concerns about the ability to maintain margin, concerns about government, uncertainty about government action, and also about, importantly, talent management. Overall, I would sum up the results as rather optimistic, showing a positive path for the economy, and also an indicator to policymakers to watch for those challenges which are holding back even better growth in the future. Thank you.